Welcome back to my channel TechGetter. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can easily activate your Nordstrom credit card. The Nordstrom card is not only convenient for shopping at Nordstrom stores and online, but it also gives you access to special rewards and exclusive offers. But before you can enjoy these benefits, you first need to activate your card, and I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type the link www.nordstromecard.com. Then press enter. Don't worry, I've also shared the link in the description box below so you can access it directly. Once the site opens, look at the top right corner and you'll find an option that says Activate New Credit Card. Click on that, and then tap on the Get Started button. Now, you'll need to enter a few details to verify your identity. Simply fill in your last name, date of birth, phone number, and your card number. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. The system will process your details, and once verified, your Nordstrom credit card will be activated successfully. If at any point you face difficulties, you can click on the Contact Us option on the same page. There you'll find several customer support numbers for specific needs. For activating your card directly, you can also call 1-888-246-5338. If you want to request a copy of the current version of your card agreement, dial 1-800-934-3895. And if you're dealing with any other issue, you can reach customer support at 1-866-491-78690. That's it. Once you've completed the process, your Nordstrom credit card will be ready to use. Now you can start enjoying all the rewards and benefits that come with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechGetter.